Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Let me show you how you can remove this stain from your iron. I know how it is. It can be very annoying, and whenever it burns your clothes or any outfit, it tends to stain. This stain is usually from steam irons, and it's because of the water that comes out from the steam, in addition with the starch. Sometimes I know many of us, anytime we are ironing our clothes, we still use some starch, some spray starch, and when this is combined with the water, it tends to form this kind of like lime scale and this stain. But I have a remedy for you. There are many remedies in which you can use to get rid of this, but this is something that I like to do, and you need just these two ingredients. You need baking soda, which I'm going to be pouring now. I'm just going to take about 3 tablespoons, or just some amount of baking soda basically. And a little bit of water, a little bit, just to mix it. Yeah. I won't completely mix it all the way because I still need some of that powder. I just need to make it a little bit soggy, not in the powder form. Okay, this is the exact consistency that I need. And next is my major tool, which I'm going to be using. This is called steel wool. I just got this from the market, like so. This is called steel wool. It's like cotton wool but steel. It's not iron, it's like cotton wool but steel. This is how it is. You usually get this anywhere you get like sponge, the kind of sponge for your plates. This is usually like used for pots, to remove all those like stains from your pot and everything. And I got this from the market, so that's what you're going to be looking out for. I'll just add a little bit of this to my steel wool, and this is what I'm going to be using on my iron. You have to apply a bit of pressure when you're doing this. So guys, I've scrubbed it for some time. Like I said, you need a little bit of pressure actually, and like some energy. Your biceps might hurt, but it's good exercise for your arms as well. And after scrubbing for about 5 minutes, let me clean it and let's see what has actually happened to my iron. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, can you see that? Even though I didn't fully like apply everything all through, I still have some here, which is totally fine. You might still go back to work on that if you wish. Guys, this is like new. Can you see the way it's shining? And it doesn't affect the plates. That's the beauty of this. It doesn't affect the plates, the baking soda and the steel wool. It might look like a lot of pressure, but trust me, it's pressure getting the stains out, but it is not going to affect the plates. The plates are still shiny. It's not like scruffed in any way, and that's it. So like I said, you just need your baking soda and your steel wool, which you can get from your grocery store. Just basically ask that you need steel wool, like steel, but it is soft. It's not as hard. It's not like sandpaper. No, it's not as abrasive as sandpaper at all. It's nothing like sandpaper. I won't advise you using sandpaper on your iron at all. And let me just clean it again with with a damp cloth. And this is my iron. Same iron, guys, the same. This is it. If you learned something from this video, kindly thumbs up, kindly share if you learned anything from this video, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel, because I have many amazing videos like this. If you want to see many of all these DIYs, kindly check my videos to see, and kindly subscribe and kindly share as well. I hope to see you in other videos. Just stay beautiful, stay safe, stay healthy, and loads of love from me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.